Compare to check and confirm the screen protector is the right size for the screen. Clean the screen with alcohol prep pen. Wipe out the screen using the cloth. Use the dust absorber to remove small particulate dust of the screen. Stick the suction cup to the front of screen protector. Remove the cover at the back of screen protector. Hold the screen protector with the suction cup and stick it to the screen. Push the air between the protector and the screen out with pen. Make sure the screen protector does not move. Wipe out with cloth to remove the fingerprint on screen protector. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.